Good morning, traders. Welcome to this new video. My name is Pete, and this is Trading Kitchen. It's Monday, so like every Monday, let's have full multi-time frame analysis on S&P, Nasdaq, and today we're going to see something very interesting on forex market. So let's do this Monday overview. Looking for some good opportunities to trade during this week, beginning as usual with the S&P, in which, as you can see, things are pretty much clear. We have this strong bearish momentum, okay, and to be honest, after this strong impulse from the past week, what I suppose probably we're going to have small retracement, okay, small on a long-term perspective, obviously. We're going to see some just a little bit of retracement during this week, also because we are close to have a closing below this huge liquidity level. Okay, so this is probably means that price will going to grab liquidity today, okay, and may a retracement where here more or less around 70-75 of this last swing, okay, and here we have inefficiency, okay, from this level. And what we have to keep in mind is this liquidity level here, because as I told you last week, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 tops, okay, so 4 times that price touch this area means that here we have a lot of liquidity that must be grabbed, okay, in the future. So this is basically my personal scenario on S&P for this week. Before going long, I want to see a closing below this liquidity. Okay, so basically there are two possibilities. This is one, okay, with risk reward 1-3, and this is the second with stop loss here, and the next target will be probably here. Okay, so we're going to have a nice 3.6 risk reward ratio. Okay, and obviously this is another level that we have to keep in mind, because we have a strong inefficiency from where the first structure had been broken in the past. Okay, so right here. Okay, so let's move on Nasdaq, which obviously things are pretty much the same. Okay, so same thing. So this is the level, okay, that needs to be broken. That is also a good liquidity level. And here, as on S&P, we have another one, huge liquidity level, and also here as well. So the retracement and the short possibility will be this one. Okay, and the target is another liquidity level, which is here. The stop loss will be just above this highs. Okay, so basically this is the scenarios on Nasdaq, and let's have also an overview on two forex pair which are quite interesting during these hours and on these days, because what we have on AUDJPY is a full breakout of the last structure that we do have. Okay, and price made a huge retracement, and break another structure here. Okay, and broke another structure here, and starting to make a new lows. Okay, so what does it mean? That with this strong sellers volumes, what I suppose to create, that is going to be creating right by now, is a Wyckoff schematic. Okay, price now grab another liquidity here, made a huge engulfing. Okay, so what we are going to do is waiting for a clear and definitive break of this structure. Okay, and we are on a daily time frame, so this could be the end of a strong bullish trend, and probably a beginning of a clear short trend. So we are inside the reversal momentum, and for the intraday this is pretty much good, because what we have, it's a nice opportunity around here, because we have the first breakout during each session. So the first trade could be this one on a short. Okay, but obviously with the target here, which is the 75 of this of the last impulse that we do have. Okay, obviously we are not ready for a bearish trend on a long-term perspective, but to be honest, this could be the beginning of a very interesting Wyckoff schematic. So we have to really pay attention to what this cross is going to do, and obviously this is also the last impulse with this quite interesting engulfing. So we have to keep in mind that price will probably going to react to retrace and take the inefficiency here, okay, to keep on going down again. Okay, same thing for CADJPY. This is a liquidity level that price took from the past, and exactly what I can see right by now, but let me show you. So this is probably the last high that we do have with a double top. So it means that here there are lots of liquidity. Okay, and so this could be a very good a very good opportunity to take. And here we have another engulfing, so this could be another level to pay attention. Retracement here, and short. Okay, stop loss just right by here, uh, above these two highs, and take profit here on this structure. Okay, so this could be a very nice 5.4 risk reward ratio trade. Okay, and obviously you can adapt this short on intraday and take all the retracement. Okay, so for example, as market works, I mean, obviously these are all shorts that you can take. Okay, short trades that you can take on the breakout of the structure, or on the 75 of the range that market is going to create. Okay, so guys, that's pretty much it. I really hope you like this video. Let me know what you think using the comment section below, and we're going to see on the next Monday. Thank you very much, guys. Have a nice trading week.